It is CeeC. I am back, and I hope you all are ready. You've been here before, so what brings you back? Big brother called and I have to answer. In 10 seconds, tell us where your life is right now. My life right now, I would use the word alignment because I am finally doing the things that I love, things that are exacting to me. Doing the job that I love. For example, I now own the production house, right? So I'm happy and excited about where my life is right now. Lawyer, ambassador, filmmaker. Who is CeeC now? CeeC is just that girl that has decided to fulfill the highest, truest expression of herself as a human being. I'm not going to live this life with any talent untapped. What will you do differently this time around? A lot of years has passed, so everything is going to be different, I'm very sure. So yeah, it depends on the house. Whatever the house brings, I mean, handle it. Please complete the sentence. This season, I am definitely not letting anyone determine whether I'm going to be happy or sad. How far do you think you make it this season and why? I'm very sure that I would make it to the last day. In fact, I'm going to bring back the money because I'm a star. Yeah, I'm a star. Who are you hoping to see in the house? I think no one in particular. No one, to be honest. But I'm hoping I experienced this season with some of the people that I've met and kind of friends with. With years gone by, have any of your relationships with the double Wahala housemates changed? Yes, I have gotten closer to some people that I wasn't close to during my stay in the house. What do you want to be remembered this season for? I want to be remembered this season as the strong, African, independent woman that I am. What message would you send to your fellow housemates? Hey guys, first of all, it is a competition. So I'm bringing fire and I hope you're ready. And message to yourself for this season? Hey CeeC, you know you got this. You can handle whatever this season has to bring. I also want to remind you that throughout your stay, make sure you have fun every day. You have to be deliberate about it. It is CeeC. I am back, and I hope you all are ready.
Big brother Naija.